Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and the right Windows build. Once done, press Win+I to open Settings and navigate to System, then Display. Make sure notifications aren't blocking dialogues and close third-party display utilities. Next, check that multiple monitors are detected and the correct GPU is active. You're now positioned to change scaling, resolution, and personalization options without delays, so proceed to the next steps. Now change resolution to the recommended value and set scaling to a sensible level. This clears many UI issues. If options remain grayed out, open Device Manager, expand display adapters, disable then enable the adapter, or roll back the driver. Make sure your account has permission to edit personalization. Check Settings Accounts and run gpedit. MSC to inspect policies that block themes or backgrounds. When necessary, export and inspect registry keys. Under H, finish by restarting Windows Explorer or rebooting so the display and personalization changes apply cleanly. This often fixes lingering UI glitches. If elements are still broken, run dism followed by SFC to repair component corruption, then reinstall display drivers. Make sure to test a fresh user profile to isolate profile corruption. If problems persist, capture event viewer errors and consider restoring system to a recent restore point. One troubleshooting tip: always test changes after a single step to identify the exact fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.